There are so many ways to make money online, so many ways. So this channel, Starting Up, is all about introducing you to new ways and ideas of making money online through selling products. But I only really have time to go into detail on the ways of making money online that I am personally doing myself. So writing and selling books on Amazon is something that's always been on my radar, but I've never had enough time to investigate myself. I've heard a lot of potential about this. And on that topic of writing and selling books on Amazon, I've invited some guest hosts to give you an introduction of how it all works. So now you're going to see a video from the Mickelson's twins, who have taken over my channel for the day in order to provide you with some useful information about a different way of making money online than what I normally talking about, and that is selling books on Amazon. So before we jump over to our guest host, who are going to tell us how you can make $10,000 a month from selling books on Amazon, make sure to subscribe to this channel, Starting Up, where you're going to get more videos like this from me and from guest hosts in the future, all about how you can make money online. So without wasting any further time, here's the Mickelson twins with an introduction of selling books on Amazon.
Let's freaking do this. What's up, gang? I'm so excited for this video. First of all, Greg, you're a legend for letting us make this video and show your viewers a different side of making money online. Yes, the way we do it, and the way that we honestly, there's many different paths to building online income. Yeah, and this is what we got started in. So what we're going to talk about in today's video is self-publishing for beginners. So if you've never heard of self-publishing, you're going to want to watch this video. Yeah, trust us. So this is an introduction to our favorite way to make money online. Yes. And we've been doing this online. We've been doing this for a while, and we've tested a lot of things. This is it. Yeah. Well, it's our favorite at least. Yeah. So before we get started, who the hell are these guys? Who are these guys on my computer screen? So we are, well, your name is Rasmus. My name's Rasmus. My name is Christian. We're 23 years old. And, well, actually, this is an important point. We escaped the 9-to-5 through self-publishing. It's possible. It is possible. It can be done. We have a YouTube channel as well called the Mickelson Twins. Our last name's Mickelson. We're twins. Pretty creative name, right? So on that channel, we talk about self-publishing, which is what we're introducing to you in this video. We also talk about merch by Amazon, so that's another thing we do. Rasmus is in tier 2,000. Tier 2,000. No, just got to 3,000. 3,000. I guess for some reason they started doing that now. New tiers. But yeah, 3,000. So we also make merch by Amazon videos if you're into that. And honestly, just anything online business and freedom lifestyle related. So if any of this interests you, definitely go over to our channel and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. All right. Okay. Let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the video though. Yeah. Let's talk about the real interesting stuff, which is self-publishing. Yes. So what is self-publishing? A lot of you might not even know what it is. To us, it's our lives, but you might not even know it. So it is where you publish books and sell them on the internet. That's probably the simplest form of answering that question. And it sounds like such a random way to make money online, right? Because like books. Yeah. Books? Really? Yeah. But there's a big demand for books. So this is eBooks, print books such as paperback books, and audiobooks. Audiobooks is the new big one that we're making the most money from, and that's really just shifting the market right now. Yeah. Talk more about that later. Yeah. So in self-publishing, you publish your books to Amazon and other publishing platforms, and then you make royalties off of the sales that you make. So it's actually quite simple. Yep. So in our experience, self-publishing is the best way for a beginner to start making money online successfully. You don't need any experience at all. There's a slide dedicated just to that as to why we think it's the best way. So now our background in self-publishing. So I started self-publishing in August 2016, and I started now it being August 2018. That's been 2 whole years. Yeah. Wow. And I started January 2017, so like 6 months later, basically. That's because I started dropshipping as my first business. So I'm saying we've tried like a few different online businesses. Oh yeah, we've self-publishing by far. We've been in this making money online thing for a few years now. I've done Amazon FBA. I tried making my own app. A bunch of crazy things that did not work out. Honestly, little stupid things. And they all really put into perspective how great self-publishing is. Yes. So we have over 145 published books respectively. He's been at it for a long time. So. Yeah. So like I said before, self-publishing has been our lives for over a year. Like, we're just hard workers. This has been our life. We put so much time and effort into our online businesses. So we've tried and experimented with many different things in publishing. Lots of failures, and we've learned a lot. So
lots of failures.
Yes, we have a lot of wisdom to share in the publishing space.
Yeah.
So we know we're not geniuses in online marketing, but we know a lot about publishing, not much about anything else. That's what we're in the process of learning right now. So we're in a position to be able to teach about publishing.
Yeah.
Now, in April, we started our YouTube channel, where we began, teaching others how to make money online through publishing the same way we have. But then we also sprinkle in some other videos.
Some merch by Amazon, because I think that's another great way to make money.
Some mindset videos.
I know it's something Greg talks about a lot as well.
Yeah. Mindset videos, I love making those. Having a strong mindset is always really important, but anyway.
All right, so what makes self-publishing so great? Why do we think it's the best and easiest way to make money online? So 3 big reasons why we think self-publishing is the GOAT, the greatest of all time when it comes to making money online.
It's one moment right there.
All right, so number 1, it's beginner-friendly with low upfront costs.
Very beginner-friendly.
Right, but costs are like things that you buy. Food is a cost. A car is a cost.
Chocolate milk is a cost.
Yeah.
I don't like to call costs like this costs, when in reality they're investments, which is why we don't really have budgets when it comes to our publishing businesses.
Because any money you put in is going to come back and then some. And then much more.
Then 2x, 3x, 10x.
Yeah.
So these are investments. I always think that's a good way to look at it. So why it's so beginner friendly is you don't need any online marketing skills. You really don't.
Reason number 2, it has a high level of scalability. Meaning, like, it might sound maybe like a small time sort of online business. You can make a lot of money self-publishing.
Yeah, there are not many businesses that are this beginner friendly and have this much potential as well.
So what is this much potential?
Yeah.
I mean,
so we can show you some screenshots of money we've made from self-publishing. So I'm gonna put one right there, right there, right there. But these are all individual platforms. We publish on many different platforms. All of these put together can make up for a pretty hefty amount of income if you know what you're doing.
But high level scalability. Let's get
put some numbers on it.
I mean,
I know many
people making over 10,000 a month.
Yeah, many publishing friends who do that. That's not uncommon at all. Over 20,000 possible. The biggest I've seen is like a $53,000.
Do not expect that.
No. I don't even see how that's possible.
I think $10,000 a month is a great goal to set with self-publishing, and
phenomenal
it's so realistic.
Yeah.
And you hit that after 12 months.
12 months, yeah. And you can.
So of course, it's not something you're gonna do in 2 or 3 months, right? Like, this is a real legitimate business. It's not a get rich quick scheme.
No.
Like, it's legitimate. You know what I mean?
So, this last reason out of the big 3 is our favorite one by far, and it's completely passive. Now, it doesn't mean you don't have to put work into it.
You put the work in the beginning, and then when everything is set up and your books are out on the market, people just buy. You never have to do any work again. They keep selling, you keep making money.
Yeah, almost set it and forget it. Like, I'm currently making royalties this month, August 2018, from books that I published in 2016. And I haven't touched them in over a year, over 1.5 years. Which I find pretty crazy. So because of this passive income stream, we've been able to travel around a lot. We live very location independently. So we lived the last 6 months in Hawaii. We're in this Hawaiian shirt. Before that, we lived
3 months in Thailand.
Right now we're in Denmark. We're moving to Bali in a few months. So we have that ability because of these online businesses. Now, final thing, what does the self-publishing process look like? We've been talking about, it's so great, but let's actually talk about what it is and how it works.
And we can't get into too much detail because it's much longer than for one part. But like, let's go review the steps.
If it does sound interesting, go over to our channel, subscribe. We have 70 videos, most of them about self-publishing. So much to learn. We got some good content over there. So the first step in the self-publishing process is always market research. People ask it all the time, okay, I want to get into self-publishing. What's the first thing I do? It's market research. You got to start figuring out what kind of books you want to write. Oh yeah, that's one. We would not say that. We don't write books. I forgot to say that.
Yeah.
We don't write any books. We outsource that. People write for us.
I don't have skills like that.
No,
I don't know how to design.
No.
We hire people to do that for us, then I guess we put it together, you know?
Yeah.
Right. So step number 2 is getting your book written. Like we said, we don't write them ourselves. So we actually have a particular ghostwriting company that we love to work with, and they
write all our books for us.
All of them. Yeah. So we let them know what we want in the book, what kind of book. we pay them, they give us the book, and it's ours 100%. So we own the book, as if we wrote it ourselves.
Yeah.
You know?
An average book costs around $350, $400 to have written, at least with the size books that we make.
But if it's making $500 a month, that's an easy investment to make.
The investments I make in my publishing business are the best investments I ever make.
Yeah.
So number 3 is you need to have a cover made. Again, super simple. You just go to Fiverr.com, and some freelancer is able to make a phenomenal book cover for you for just $5. So yeah, it doesn't have to cost $50, $100, $200. It costs $5 to have a cover made.
It's true. Alright, step number 4, publish your book to all platforms.
Again, we're glossing over the things that aren't that interesting. These are the big steps.
So, I mean, all you need is your book and your cover. Then you're honestly ready to publish this.
And then you need to write a description, come up with a pen name and things like this.
Yeah, but then you're ready to publish as an ebook, paperback book, an audiobook. I guess it's got to be narrated first. We'll get to that. So is that the 5th step? Have your book narrated.
Yeah, after you publish it, it has to be published as a book first before you can have it narrated.
Yeah, because like we said before, audiobooks are the spot right now.
Yeah.
Audiobooks are it.
Yeah. So we've actually played a big role in bringing audiobooks to the spotlight in self-publishing. So audiobooks are making us the most money of all of the different platforms. So yeah, we sell our books on audible.com.
Crazy.
So step number 6 is repeat. So you don't just make one book and make $10,000. You make one book, that one does a few hundred a month, you take those profits and you put it back into the business. All about reinvesting, reinvesting, reinvesting until you have a lot of books making a lot of passive income at the same time. And then that really, really adds up. So
I mean, that's the key to all this, is repeating and doing it over and over.
Yeah, and putting money back into the business.
And what's the final
step? And there's one final step. It is our favorite step, make money in your sleep. So actually in the interview that we did with Greg Preece over on our channel, so if you want to see Greg Preece himself get interviewed, go to our channel, watch that video, subscribe while you're at it. And he mentions, the quote was, if you don't know how to make money in your sleep, you'll never make a lot of money. So I'm paraphrasing.
Yeah, but that's the idea.
And it's so true. If you can't make money in your sleep, you're never going to get rich.
There's just not enough hours in the day to be trading your time for money.
Yeah.
You know?
So you need to be making money in your sleep. And we've been doing a lot of that. And it honestly feels so good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So honestly, that was it. That's all we want to say about self-publishing.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you for letting us do this.
Thank you so much. We're so grateful. We had a good time creating this presentation for everyone watching. And thank you for watching to the end. Now, if you watch this video to the end, drop some, we always like to do this, drop some donut emojis! Drop some donut emojis in the comment section. Just spam it. Spam donut emojis, because then we know, okay, you watched this video to the end, you're a real OG. That's for original gangsta.
Yeah.
I missed the donut.
Okay.
And also, if you want to learn more about self-publishing, come. Now, I know that our faces are cutting off the last part of the sentence. It says, come and check out our channel and subscribe, because we talk all about self-publishing. Primarily, other things as well.
But if you're into making money online in general, I think our channel is that. So
yeah.
And if you have any questions,
I also
comments. I want so many. I'd like so many questions. And comments.
We are.
If you're just interested to learn more, just comments. Just
we
ask,
are
just
the
ask.
kings of engagement. We engage so hard with our following. Over on our channel, we get easily 100+ comments in a video, and we're replying to every single one. A lot of times it's paragraphs long replies. Literally, it can be. So
our point is just we're told we want to talk to you guys, want to answer all your questions.
Yeah. That's the end of this presentation. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot, Greg, for letting us do this.
You're the man.
See you over on our channel.
And you watching this.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day. See ya.